Hello everyone, welcome to our first video lesson. Today what we're going to do is talk about the very basics, and hopefully you're going to be able to get some challenge out of this lesson no matter what level you are, okay? So if you've been playing for a few years, don't go thinking that this is too simple for you. If you've only just started, don't worry, we're going to keep it nice and simple, okay? On the whiteboard we have three of our favorite exercises, okay? If you've been playing for a little while, you'll recognize these. Number one, right, left, that's single strokes. Number two, right, left, that's double strokes. And the bottom one, right, left, left. What's that one called? It's a paradiddle, that's right. First thing we're gonna do, just work our way through these, and then I'm going to try and show you a few ways to make them more interesting, more challenging. But step one, let me press play on the doodah here, and we'll just run through the top one. One, go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Tap along on whatever you've got. Second line, right. Job done. Okay, first thing we're going to do is simply play with the speed of those a little bit. We'll get more challenge just by going a little bit quicker. So, I'm going to up the speed a little bit. We're going to play two, tap, two, that type of speed. 1 and 2, and here we go. Top line, right, left. Second line, right, left. Again. Bottom line, right, left. One more. Very good. Okie doke. Stop that. What are we going to do next? We're just going to up the speed a little bit. We're going to take that from 75 beats per minute all the way up to 90 beats per minute. Don't forget, you can rewind this a little bit and try the slower speeds again if that suits you. Or if you want a bit more challenge, come and join me at 90 beats per minute. Top line. Here we go. Second line. Bottom line. Okay. And if you fancy a super challenge, we're going to up the speed a little bit more. We're going to get all the way to 110 beats per minute. Come and join me. 1 and 2 and top line, go! Then the second line. And the bottom line. Right, left. Okay. Don't forget, you can rewind these and go over them as many times as you want. Doing it a few times is probably a good idea, because all practice will make you stronger. Okay. So, how do we make this a bit more interesting? We don't simply want to sit there the whole time going. Even when you go super fast, it's still not particularly interesting to play. So we are going to use a little bit of feet. Oh yes we are. We're going to take just the top line, just the single strokes, and I'm going to put a circle around this one, and I'm going to put a circle around this left hand just here. Now, I would encourage you to get your own bit of paper and to write these out, maybe a few times each, and try circling 2 or 3 different notes. Give yourself a few options. And what we're going to do is put a bass drum. If you're right-handed, that's your right foot. We're going to put a right foot with the circled ones. First of all, super slow, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And again. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You get the idea? Rewind that a couple of times if you want to get used to it a bit more. We're going to try that at a few different speeds now. I'll not put the song on, I'll just put the doodah on. Take the speed down to 80 to start off. Bop, 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 bop. We'll do the top line a couple of times. 1 and 2 and a 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right. Very good. Shush. Stop it. Once again, rewind that and do it a few more times if you like. If you're having trouble getting the right foot to go with this left hand here, just don't play along with me. Just pause this. Just try it yourself a few times, as slow as you need to get it right. Work it up. It'll be super duper. I'll show you what that sounds like at a few higher speeds. We'll take that up to 100 beats per minute. 1 and 2 and here we go. Right. Very cool. Starting to sound a little bit musical with the bass drums in there. We're going to go for super duper speed. I'm going to take it up to 120. Good luck with this one. 1 and 2 and 3 and go. Okay, great. And if you want to go faster than that, please do. You don't have to do it along with me. You can make your own versions of this. Now, as you can imagine, I could sit here for ages circling different ones and showing you different patterns, but I'm just trying to give you an idea here. That's why I'm asking you to write these out a few times. Try circling your own ones. Make your own exercises. You'll find some great sounding ones. You'll find some bad sounding ones. But it's all good discovery. We'll like it. We'll do a quick one with the next line here. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. And I'm going to circle the first right and this left here. Make sure you don't just circle your rights because that bit of coordination is a bit too simple. So your hands are doing double strokes. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. And we're sticking a bass drum with number 1 and number 4. If you like, count it that way, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Okay, 3 different speeds for this one. Let's go down to 80. Don't worry if the slow speed is really tricky for you. It's meant to be a challenge. It's meant to be a challenge. If this is too quick, Pause the video, try it yourself as slow as you want. Da, 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 da. We'll go a little bit slower than that. Down to 70 beats per minute. Bass drums with the circle ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. If that's too fast for you, pause the video, try it as slow as you need, okay? Any success is useful, any success is good for you. Speed level 2, we're going to go up to 90. Don't worry if this is too quick. Da, do, da, do. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. 1 and 2 and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Magic. Feel free to rewind and do that a couple more times if you like. We're going to go for super duper speed. We're going to go up to 120. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Marvelous. And you can do the same with the bottom line. You get the idea. You don't need me to give you every single example to practice. Feel free to write these out many times as you want. Circle different ones. If you want, just write out a few lines of only the top line with different letters circled, or a page of just the second line with different ones circled. Okay, I'm going to try and make this challenging for me now. I'm going to circle this one and this one, and I'm going to try and do the whole page. This line, then this line, then this line, one after another. Please don't worry if you can't do this. I've got my fingers crossed that I'll be able to do this one. Let's go down to 90. Wish me luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Well done, mate. Let me try that again. 110. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. And let's do one stupid one, just because it's fun. Let's try 150. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Very cool. Okay. If you're finding any of this too challenging, like I've said, pause the video, try it as slow as you need. If you want, leave the bass drums out. Just practice a few different versions of hands only. Read the whole page from top to bottom with just the hands. Do the top line twice, the second line twice, bottom line twice. Even before you start thinking about adding any of the feet. Okay, we're going to finish up with me playing this type of stuff and trying to make it sound musical. nice ideas in there. Make them your own, explore them, make your own versions, and good luck, okay? Stay happy, stay safe, stay busy.